However, in the frequently unpredictable and always fascinating world of cryptocurrencies, a single headline has the power to rock the market. The headline today shouts, XRP Ripple could soar to $10,000. But what are the opinions of experts? Explore the marketing, the research, and the astonishing predictions that have the potential to completely change the financial scene. There is a lot of conjecture in the cryptocurrency world that XRP, once a dark horse, it might suddenly soar to $10,000. This isn't merely giddy banter among optimistic investors. The subject is becoming more and more popular in mainstream financial conversations, driven by a combination of professional analysis and bullish market sentiment. Ripple's XRP, renowned for its quick transaction times and broad banking relationships, is leading this speculative wave. Is this kind of enormous ascent really possible, or is it just wishful thinking? In order to comprehend this, we must first examine the workings of Ripple and its coin and assess the variables that may propel XRP to these hitherto unheard of heights. Unlike many other cryptocurrencies, Ripple is a payment technology that aims to transform international money transactions rather than merely a coin. XRP was developed by Ripple Labs, formerly known as OpenCoin, as a quicker, less expensive, and more scalable substitute for other digital assets as well as for already existing financial payment systems like SWIFT. In sharp contrast to Bitcoin and Ethereum's slower transaction times, Ripple's network can handle thousands of transactions per second and confirm transactions in a matter of seconds. Most importantly, speed is not the only factor. With relationships with more than 100 banks and financial institutions across the globe, Ripple's technology facilitates cross-border transactions. This widespread use demonstrates Ripple's usefulness, a major factor in determining its value and a pillar of the case for a prospective price increase. The price chart trajectory of XRP has been anything from steady, with abrupt increases and decreases. Its price history is erratic, going from insignificant sums to around $3.84 for the 2017 crypto bubble, and then plunging to lows that make many investors doubt their investment decisions. It's critical to comprehend these variations since they give investors insight into potential volatility and set the $10,000 speculation in context. For example, the 2017 surge was propelled by a broad cryptocurrency bull market, as well as substantial investor excitement and media coverage surrounding emerging blockchain technologies. Patterns can be found by comparing these movements to those of other cryptocurrencies, which may also provide insight into what drives significant fluctuations in cryptocurrency prices. According to an industry analyst, the question of when XRP will reach $10,000 rather than if it will happen is what's encouraging. There is still doubt, though, since some analysts contend that although Ripple's technology shows promise, outside variables like market saturation and legal issues may limit the company's ability to thrive. Various financial analysts' differing perspectives combine to create a complex picture. Some highlight the increasing institutional use of Ripple and its technological excellence. Others, however, issue a warning due to the unpredictability of cryptocurrency markets and unclear regulations. Increased use cases, wider institutional adoption, and technical developments are some of the factors that are commonly mentioned as catalysts that could drive XRP to new heights. But it's also important to recognize that there are notable obstacles, including market instability and competition from other cryptocurrencies. Numerous factors, including attitude among retail investors and global economic indices, have an impact on the Bitcoin market. Due to its banking relationships and strong ties to the financial sector, XRP's market dynamics differ slightly from those of simply speculative assets. Based on market tendencies, it is common for price hikes to follow good news regarding Ripple's collaborations or technological developments. On the other hand, bad news, including legal troubles or large sell-offs in the overall market, can result in abrupt drops. Predicting XRP's development requires an understanding of these processes, notably how sentiment among institutional and individual investors affects its price. Macroeconomic variables like shifts in interest rates, inflation rates, and economic downturns also have a big impact. Based on past data, technical analysis offers a visual framework for forecasting future price changes. Important indicators for XRP that are essential for determining possible entry and exit positions are moving averages, RSI, the relative strength index, and Fibonacci retracement levels. Charts, as of right now, indicate that XRP is at a turning point. We might witness an expedited advance towards higher pricing if it breaks through specific resistance levels. If these obstacles are not surmounted, there may be a consolidation period or even a decrease. Historical price action-based predictive models are not infallible, but provide a prism through which investors can assess the mood of the market and possible price changes. In the world of cryptocurrencies, regulation is a double-edged sword. On the one hand, unambiguous regulatory standards can give credibility and increase investor trust. However, tight laws may hinder innovation and limit the application of digital assets. Regarding XRP and Ripple, the regulatory environment has served as a battlefield. One important element affecting XRP's pricing is the ongoing dispute it has with the SEC, which alleges that it was offered as an unregistered security. The resolution of this legal dispute may open the door to wider adoption or provide serious obstacles. Global legislative changes that affect cryptocurrency assets and marketplaces, like those in the EU, also have an effect on XRP because they affect how it can be held or traded internationally. The media's influence on how the general public views cryptocurrencies cannot be overstated. While bad news can cause panic selling and price collapses, positive media coverage can draw in new investors and increase confidence. XRP has encountered both extremes of this range. Announcements about new bank collaborations, for example, usually result in price increases, but legal delays frequently result in price decreases. The impact of well-known praise or condemnation contributes significantly to its short-term price fluctuations and is frequently exacerbated via social media. Investors attempting to predict the future price movement of XRP must be aware of the story behind the company and keep an eye on how it is depicted in the media. XRP is a cryptocurrency just like Bitcoin and Ethereum, however, its use case and underlying technology are different. In contrast to Bitcoin, which is mainly used as a store of wealth, or Ethereum, which is prized for its smart contract functionality, XRP's primary attraction is its usefulness in enabling quick and affordable cross-border payments. When comparing market potential, this distinction is essential. The potential use of XRP as a financial service instrument, as opposed to just a means of speculation, may be what drives its value. Its rivalry with other cryptocurrency that focuses on payments, like as Litecoin or Stellar, also offers a comparison point for evaluating its prospective market share and growth. Forecasting the price of XRP in the future requires taking a variety of factors into account, particularly when setting a goal as ambitious as $10,000. These can include negative regulatory rulings or macroeconomic downturns, as well as the broad adoption of blockchain technology by financial institutions and technological advancements. Increased institutional use, successful legal outcomes,